Hi. This is Nasura Ryan, and today is February the 26th, 2022. This just gives you an example of how an alarm system is supposed to work. The light is supposed to be on in order for the alarm system to work. Every hotel I stayed in the UK, the alarm system was shut off in the room where I stayed, where carbon monoxide gases and anything can go into the room and be undetected, as well as a fire could occur, and I would not even be aware of what was going on. And so I'm just wanting to let the world know the importance of what's going on here while I'm in the UK. So when I show you the alarm systems that are not working are at all, then you know that I'm telling you the truth, because this is the law and the requirement. This is just, see, that red light will be blinking back and forth. Thank you.